Alright, what's up guys? It's been a bit and I thought I would go ahead and make a room tour part 2. I'm a 20% bad. First of all, new earring check, D20s, is not a D&D reference, but something more nerdy, Magic the Gathering. Before we get into anything, I want to show off new varsity patch, got Nirvana, and then I got Deftones. Alright, so over here, new bookshelf location. Alright, we gotta get that. Yeah, we had to do it to him. Still all unread, that's my bad. Alright, now these are the CDs. I really like this one because it's got boobies on it. And I really like this one. Alright, on here we got, the bush. I can't open it or it'll collapse on itself. And now over here, we got the freaking... Over here, we got the vinyl records and the cassettes. Now, I really like to listen to this while I'm like soldering and working on things. And I really like... Now this over here, I call this the Tism station. This thing right here, love that. My sound interface, I use it on BandLab, make the most obscene things physically possible.
And I could be an emo girl for you. I could do the things she couldn't do.
This is my clock. That's my give me a sec. This is my perfectly made bed in preparation. These are my guitars right here. And this, this is the game center. I get all my epic gaming done here. New gaming channel coming soon, But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I almost tripped there. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update. I plan on uploading more often at some point. I just really haven't thought of any good content I can do. But for sure, I will try to upload. See you guys.
I feel your fingers letting go of me. And I could be an emo girl